There's little superb fairy wren. Which one are you? Come out of that grass, show yourself. Where are you? Come out in the open. Trying to catch something. Or are you Woolly Wagtail? Who are you? Come out in the open. Back out into the open. There you are, way over there. Haven't seen too many quails lately. There's that peregrine falcon again up in the wind, up high. How can it stand all that cold wind? And the wind's shaking the tripod a little bit. That's a spiny-cheeked honeyeater. Eating Cotyledon ubiculata, red bell flowers. Sunbirds in South Africa sip nectar from those bells. They're South African bells, but they do very well in Australian gardens. Where have you got to out of sight now? Down below somewhere. Go on, I think. Now, those flowers are nectariferous. Nectariferous. And a bird who sips nectar is nectarivorous with a V. Nectariferous with an F for flowers. And nectarivorous for a bird with a V. That's a superb fairy wren. Show us your blue face. Come on. Show us your blue little face. Go on. Sometimes you can trigger a whistle. I mean, if you... they'll chirp if you whistle, or play the recorder or something. Spiny-cheeked honeyeater again. After nectar from almond blossom. Busy bird. Cloudy day today, poor vision. That would be a nice ornament for a vase, wouldn't it? Glock, glick. Look who's bathing at the bird bath. Let's hang about. Oh, just when I get my camera set up, you go away. Please come back. Nope, you've had your bath, I think. Oh, hang on. To the left of that cactus. There. They're eating ruby saltbush berries now. That's the spiny-cheeked honeyeater eating ruby saltbush berries. But it seems to eat green ones as well as ripe ones. Go on now. I can't keep up with them, can I? There's the superb fairy wren with its superb blue. Look at its gorgeous blue. It's so blue. It didn't hang about. They just won't hang about, will they? They won't hang about. Who's up high in that tree? What is it, a currawong or a raven or what? Something up high up there. What are you? I don't know. I think you're a raven. That's what I think you are. You're a raven. Let's see if you've got what colour your eyes are. Some ravens have got blue eyes. I'm not sure, I can't see in the small viewfinder. I think you're an Australian raven of some sort. I think there's about 3 types of raven. I discovered that they're nectarivorous. If you look at my footage from months ago, you'll find footage of these ravens eating silky oak nectar. Way up high. I must go for a walk down that way. This is me in lockdown. Isn't it awful being so cooped up in lockdown? Imagine being all cooped up in lockdown. Isn't it terrible? I'm not sure if it's a raven or a currawong. I can't see. Perhaps it's a currawong. There's some white there. I don't think ravens have white on their feathers, do they? I don't think they do. Perhaps it's a currawong after all. Too much silhouette. I can hear the mistletoe bird, but it's very hard to film. I saw it up close this morning. It's beautiful little red chest like a robin, but I didn't have my camera. Hear that noise in the distance? Oh, it's so awful to be cooped up. See that yellow tree way over to Billy-O? I planted that. It's a wattle tree. It's in bloom. It attracts native birds. It attracts parrots. They come for the flowers. They come for the seeds as well. And that's an Acacia baeliana. Acacia baeliana. Very beautiful. That acacia way through there is Acacia cardiophylla. That's a good little drought-resistant plant too. Very tough, attracts birds, attracts bees, attracts parrots. Look at those yellow flowers in late winter, aren't they lovely? And beyond it, look over there, there's another Acacia baeliana I planted. Isn't it lovely? That's got blue leaves, that variety. They attract kangaroos. The kangaroos will nibble them. If you water them, the kangaroos smell the water and start nibbling them, which is annoying. Aren't they lovely, the colour? This is wild wattle. Acacia cardiophylla up close. Look how lovely it is, how fragrant too. Me and my poor hay fever. Acacia cardiophylla, very drought resistant. Cardiophylla, does that mean its leaves have a sort of heart formation? I'm not sure what it means. They're a bit heart-shaped if you take the curve around the leaves. It's almost springtime. It's almost springtime, as I said. Gorgeous acacia cardiophylla. That's a raven, isn't it? Is it a raven? Are you a raven? Or are you a white-winged chough or something? If you're a chough, you're on your own. That doesn't make sense because choughs are always in the company of others. I'm getting all sniffly. I'm getting all hay feverish. I should go indoors. Well, is it a raven or is it a chough? This is Acacia baeliana up close. I think it's purpurea, is it? There is a variety with purple leaves. Look. That's Acacia baeliana. And I'm all hay feverish. And that is an Acacia cardiophylla, another one. They're very beautiful, aren't they? Listen to all that wind tossing all the pollen everywhere. Acacia cardiophylla. There's a rosella through there. What's it doing? Must be eating grass on the lawn. Where are you? I've lost you now. There they are. The two parrots grazing in the lawn. Two rosellas. Just as well there are no cats around. What are they eating? Looks like they're eating shepherd's purse seeds. That's shepherd's purse. Eastern rosella dining on shepherd's purse. Aren't they lovely? I love shepherd's purse. Each seed is shaped like a heart, like a shepherd's purse was once made out of a dried heart. They look a bit like alyssum, don't they? That, is it called baby's breath or something that florists use as a foil? Hang about. So if you've got a pet parrot, you should at least pick at some shepherd's purse, with seeds on it, of course. Lovely shepherd's purse. Where's your friend? I've lost your friend. Oh, there's your friend way over there. Those shepherd's purse are still green, but I think they will eat the dried shepherd's purse as well. Where's your friend? Somewhere around. Oops, they've gone now. Look, and this is what shepherd's purse looks like. That's shepherd's purse. That's shepherd's purse. There are the flowers. Shepherd's purse. That's the shepherd's purse flowers. I think the parrots are probably eating the seed pods. There's some shepherd's purse. There's the shepherd's purse seed pods. So I don't know that they should be, their entire diet should consist of shepherd's purse, but it's an introduced weed, and parrots certainly eat shepherd's purse seeds.